Hello and welcome to this video that shows you how to navigate English 111 online, Shaw University Summer 2017. It says 2016, but it's actually the third semester of 2016, which makes it summer. It's the right place. It's online summer 2017. Yay! So this video shows you how to use our Moodle system. It is a little different. If you've used it before, you'll notice it's a little different. They've upgraded it, so it has a bit of a different look. So for this class, there are basically certain ways that you handle this class. So as far as navigating it and what do I do when and how do I upload stuff, what am I supposed to do? So I try to make it as simple as possible. First of all, you have this top section right here, okay? And the first thing you should have done is watch this video right here. It says taking an online class. If you just click that, it'll take you to this video. Well, obviously not do that because you're watching this video now. Anyway, what you don't see here is the link for the video that I'm currently creating because I haven't created it yet. Anyway, so on the top part you have basically just generalized stuff. The announcements, basically if I need to send out an announcement saying, hey, clarification on this assignment, or hey, I'm extending the deadline for this particular assignment, or whatever. I send it through an announcement. Now it'll go one of two places. So when we click on announcements, basically it would say, hey, look, this is what's going on. I'm going to show you the day that I made the announcement. In addition to it being posted here, it'll also send you an email to your Shaw email account. So very important that you're checking your Shaw email account and you're checking the announcements to make sure that you are keeping up to date on stuff. So that's the announcements. Attendance, how attendance works for this class is it's taken once a week. Basically, as long as you have completed an assignment during that week, you are considered as attending the class. So there's that. Resources, I won't get into super much right now, but this resource area takes you to, I'll just click on it to show you what it looks like. It has a whole bunch of different videos that will help you with different things that we're going to be doing in this class. They kind of walk you step by step on certain things. So I will often refer back to check the resources to watch the video on how to do this. Yeah, so that's where that's found, resources. One of the resources that goes with this is something called Mla Formatting Examples. So we're going to get to that later on in the class, but I posted it up here because I wanted you to be able to have kind of what it should look like when you're done. So don't worry about this right now, but again, that's where you find it. So we have this part up here. So this is just the top part. In addition, it has the information for the Shaw's Writing Center. Yay! So even though it's summertime, you can call the Shaw Writing Center at this number right there, and they can help you with your papers. Not only can you, you should. You should get help. Okay? Again, you should get help with their papers. You should get their help, rather, with every paper you need to submit. And even though if you're not on campus, doesn't matter, they can do it over the phone, they can do it through the computer, so there's different ways they can do it. So, but call them and find out how they can help you the best possible way. But that is free, and it's a great way to have someone else help you with papers to make sure that you're getting the best grade possible. Okay, so that's the top part. Now, this is a summer class, so it's very quick. We only have 6 weeks, and those are found over here. Woo, 6 weeks. Okay. So what you would do is that for week 1, you would just click on week 1 over here, boop, and then it shows you there's week 1. Okay, well here's week 1. Well, what are we doing? So how that I have it set up is that under week 1, it will show you step by step what you should do. First thing you should do for week 1 is watch taking an online class video. Okay, very good. Then you should read the syllabus. If you haven't done that, then go back and read it. Okay. Then you watch how to navigate this class video. That's what you're doing right now. And then so on and so on and so on and so on. Okay. In addition, so it says, oh, to complete the student acknowledgement forms, what am I doing? What? Well, guess what? If you keep scrolling down, you'll find here's the stuff you need. There's the syllabus right there. If you click on this syllabus, it'll load the syllabus up. And there's the syllabus. Yeah, that has all the information. So that's how you would find that kind of stuff, the syllabus. But then there's the other forms. And I'll go over this more in week 1, so the week 1 video, so don't worry about that. But basically, all this stuff down here is just stuff that we're doing for week 1, including quizzes and uploading papers and all sorts of different things. And all the stuff you're going to need to know in order to do well in this class. So it's basically, if you want to, again, if I were you, I would just say, okay, do this, then do this, then do this, then do this. And again, if you're not sure how to do something, Again, the weekly videos that I post a video at the beginning of each week that shows you exactly what you're supposed to do and how you're supposed to do it, and then also shows you right here the deadlines of when stuff is supposed to be done. Now, if you're not sure how to do it, again, this week one video, the weekly videos will walk you through how to do it. Okay. And then so let's say we finish week one stuff, we're good, then we click over to week two. Woo! And so on, and so on, and so on. Yay! So that's how you access the different things. If you get real crazy, you can also just go back to the top of the page, and if you want to just scroll down, all that stuff is there too. What? Oh my goodness, but it's just easier to kind of click on this. Okay, a couple other features I want to show you for this online class that are very important for you to know would be, let's go back up here, this is where you find your grades. So this is a class where I update the grades constantly, and at any time you can see what grade you're earning in the class. And how you do that is just click on grades, and it will show you what you've earned on each assignment. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it'll show you what your overall grade is, meaning what percentage. Okay. So if you have 75 in the class, it means you're earning the C at that point in time. Okay, it only calculates the grade based on what you've submitted versus the total points that you could have possibly earned. Okay, it doesn't figure it out over the full points for the whole semester yet. So you can start off doing really well. If you get 100 on your first assignment, boo, you have 100 for the class. Let's say you get 100 on the first assignment, and you get a 95 on the next assignment, or a 90 on the next assignment, then your grade would go down to a 95. But it just shows you at any point in time how well you're doing in that class. So there you go, that's great. So there's that. One other thing that I would think that would be very beneficial for you is if you scroll down here, there was something called the calendar. The calendar. Why this is important is a lot of students are like, oh, when did stuff due? Well, if you click on the calendar, okay, and we need to scroll down, so we're in May, and this class actually starts on the 22nd of May. So here's the calendar over here too. It's maybe easier to, oops, get back here thing. Let's look at this thing over here. So for May, so this class starts on the 22nd. So the first thing is just attendance. Okay, that's fine. Your first assignments are going to be due here on the 28th, and it shows you exactly what's due. So it'd be the student acknowledgement forms and Mla formatting quiz. Oh, okay, and the deadline for this. Okay, and this shows you what day things are due. Now, you don't have to wait for these days to turn them in. You can turn them in ahead of time. But these just show what is due when. Okay, so that just shows you the deadlines. So that's pretty helpful, in my humble opinion. Okay, so let's go back to my courses here. So again, that's just a basic rundown of how this class is outlined and how it kind of, again, basically this top part is just general information that will help you during the course of the semester, and then we just go through week by week. Again, and if you're not sure what to do in a particular week, you watch the video for that week, and it will show you specifically what's going on for that week. All right. Now let's go ahead and keep plugging away. So go ahead and go to the next thing, which is the week one video, which is found in week one, which will be down here because I haven't created it yet, but I will soon. Okay, there you go.